Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Today I'm opening two Young Living boxes. One is my monthly subscription order, and then the other one is I redeemed a bunch of points. I think like 100 and something points, and I have a lot of free stuff. I still really love Young Living is their rewards program. You get a lot of points back, and then you can just use those points to buy products. So I really love that. If you want my honest opinion, I feel like there's a lot of drama around Young Living, especially since they restructured like how they do their business thing. I just feel kind of restricted in the way that I can talk about Young Living, and I don't know, that's just where I'm at right now. I don't know if that will show in like how excited or how I feel about Young Living right now. I just wanted to be honest with you guys. Any other any other essential oil company I talk about, there's zero drama, and I just feel like that is not what I am all about. So anyways, I'm done blabbing about that. I don't even know what is what, but I'm just going to share everything. I don't know what was free. This is like from last week, so just take this as these are some of my favorite products from Young Living that I order all the time. So first up is these hand sanitizers. These are the best. Literally, they are the best. Obviously, we've all tried hundreds of hand sanitizers in the last year and a half, but these are, the Thieves hand sanitizer is like, it goes on and dries really fast, and it does not dry out your hands. It has peppermint oil, and the active ingredient is ethyl alcohol. And I think is made denatured, like safer cleaner, but it smells really good, and it leaves my hands feeling good, and it doesn't have like a super strong like headache evoking fragrance. So that's why I love it. I get that one a lot. They also have a bigger size, like a pump, but you guys are missing out if you haven't tried that yet. Okay, next is an oil I haven't tried. This is Myrtle. I ordered a few oils to support lymphatic system. I've been learning a lot about lymph drainage and just about how your lymphatic system works and how your lymph moves. And I recently, my chiropractor noticed that mine might be sluggish or need some assistance. So basically, I've just been doing a lot of dry brushing. That is like a really huge thing that you can do to support and get that moving. You just basically use a dry brush and move towards your heart, wherever, or you do your whole body. But anyways, I got some oils too. So excuse me, grapefruit and I think orange, tangerine, I don't know, a couple of citrus oils that I like to just put here. So you basically, you have 3 different centers where your lymph drains, and lymph is like a liquid, or yeah, liquid. It's a fluid that is just underneath your skin, and it just helps remove toxins, and it's super important. So you want that to be working its best. And so I got some oils to support it. There's citrus oils. I can just put them here in the description too. I'm going to do a whole video on it. So I don't want to talk too much, but Myrtle is to help support lymph system. There were a couple I think that I got for that. This is a strange box. I've never seen something come in a box like this. What is this? It's another oil. Fancy. It's very packaged up. This is Cypress. And I believe this is another one that I got to help with that. So Cypress and Myrtle. I should smell both of them too. I haven't smelled the other one. Ooh, this one's already like, I can smell it. It's leaking out. That's weird. It smells good. It's light. Tree oil. It smells really good. Chris is gonna love this. He loves the tree oils. This is like a light version, like Northern Lights, Black Spruce, and Pine. Those can be really strong, but this one is like very nice. And Myrtle, honestly, I don't even know what Myrtle is. I'll have to look that up. Ooh, this smells good too. This is very good. I like this one better. It has like different notes. It's kind of like sweet. That smells so good. But anyways, I'll be talking about those along with grapefruit and the other oils that I've been using in a video coming soon about lymph. I got a book about it, and just been doing a lot of research on it, and I feel so much better since doing the things that I've been doing. Why is this another one? Cypress. Myrtle. Thieves. I'm confused. This is just a huge order, and I should have done it right when I ordered it. I waited too long. But Juniper, I think this is another one. Ooh. And two, like, Ooh, I don't really like this one. This is very ripe smelling, like a fresh pine cone. That's how I would describe Juniper. No, but they're, we love the tree oils in the fall and winter months too, to diffuse and to put on like some pine cones. This is sage, and it has one of the like safety things on it, but sage, have I never tried sage? I don't think I have. And this is a Vitality, which means with Young Living, if it's a white label like this, it's safe for ingesting. And the directions for each specific oil is on the bottle, and they're all like different. They're not all the same, so you can't, they aren't all used in the same way. And they're all supportive in different areas. So this says dilute 1 drop with 4 drops of carrier oil, and you can put in a capsule and take 1 time a day. So there is sage. Looking at all of the oils. Oh no, what's this? Big. Oh, this is Life 9. This is my probiotic that is really just a life changer. Probiotics are amazing, and the gut and brain are connected, and the gut does like a lot of things in your body, and it all kind of works together. So if you're not supporting your gut health, stop what you're doing right now and go do it. Go order some probiotics. I also love a couple of other different brands of probiotics. Thrive is where I get a lot of things like this too. So check there if you are not a Young Living member and you like that better. Or Hyperbiotics is another one that I use. They have a special formula that they use, but this one, it helps me so much. And digestive, I can't say it, but okay, 2 things left in this box. That was quick. Oh, there's one thing that wasn't in the box. So we just restocked on this. I have been a Young Living member for, I don't know, maybe 2, 3, I should know this. I think it's coming up on 3 years, you guys. It's way over 2, almost 3 years, and I have purchased like 3 of these. These last forever. It's a concentrate, a cleaning concentrate. So you literally just take your lid off, and this is how much you use to make 1 cleaner. So this makes, I don't know, I think it's like 30, between 20 and 30 bottles of cleaner. It lasts forever. You can also use this for a plethora, a million different things. And I share this all the time on my Instagram. I should do a video just on like 10 ways to use Thieves Household Cleaner, because we use it in our stain stick, our window cleaner, floor cleaner, grout cleaner, toilet cleaner, shower, bathtub, so literally everything. You can make a dusting spray, yeah, it's amazing, and it's clean, and it smells really, really good. And then lastly, this is my Holy Grail concealer. I used to, formerly a beauty blogger. I don't know if you guys have been following me that long, but I have tried millions, hundreds probably is more accurate, concealers and makeup products. And I don't have any other, I have a couple of Savvy Minerals. This is Young Living's makeup brand, and it is clean beauty. But where was I going with that? I've tried 100 concealers. This is amazing, you guys. It is the perfect consistency. It's pretty creamy. Let's see if I can show you. It's thick. It's like a medium like consistency. It's not too thick, not too thin. So it goes on. How I use it is I just dot it. A tiny bit goes a long way. And maybe I'll do a video on my current makeup routine, but I just put dot, 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 like anywhere I need coverage. Leave it for like a minute to 3 minutes maybe, to kind of like, I don't know, I feel like that helps it stick to the skin better and make it more blendable or more coverage when you do blend it. But then I just dab it and blend it in with a little brush, and it works so good, and it brightens your skin. And they also have a foundation. But I think I was going, where I was going is they have a bunch of powder, like mineral products, like Bare Minerals, if you're familiar with that. And I don't like powder products. So I do have their bronzer, but it's a powder. It's just kind of a mess, and especially to travel with. I do my makeup in the car a lot, so it's not like user-friendly for me, but I love this. So this is cruelty-free, plant-based, responsibly sourced, natural, essential oil infused, and toxin-free. Now, another thing is claims on products. I mean, don't like live and die by them. So many things aren't regulated. So if something says natural, for a really good example, natural, that really means nothing in like labeling. So anyways, this does have a couple essential oils though to help with blemishes. So that's why I love it, because most of the time we're covering up redness, but sometimes we're covering up like zits and stuff. And so the skin supportive essential oils in this are so good, and I love that part about it. But I think that's it. I just want to always I want to always be honest with you guys. And so I just don't have a bad, like vibe about Young Living right now, but it's not like the best. I'm not the most excited about it that I've always been. I just feel like there are very specific things that you can say, which I don't like. I want to say what I want to say about products, and I want to compare products, and they kind of control that. So I don't want to say I'm ending my Young Living journey, but I don't know. It could be that that might be a possibility in the near future or far future. Who knows? But I love their products, you guys. These are the products that I live and die for. Some new oils that I'm really excited about to help with my lymphatic support. Let me know if you're excited about that video. I think it's super interesting, and why don't people talk about it? It is so important. It's your entire body. It's I don't know. There are certain things that I'm learning now, like in my 30s, as I'm doing more research and learning about my body and myself and supporting my body. I'm like, why were we never taught these things? Hormones. Never knew about hormones. Never was taught that in school by my parents. And it is so, it's like daily, super important. So anyways, let me know if you have any questions. Oh, the last thing that's not in this box, because we already have it upstairs and been drinking it, is Ningxia Zing. It is like Young Living's Red Bull. It's their energy drink. It kind of tastes like the sugar-free Red Bull, and it has black pepper, so it's kind of like that spice. But it's delicious. It's expensive, so I redeemed it and got it for free with my points. That's usually how I buy it. But it's so good and does not leave me jittery, but it just kind of wakes me up. It has essential oils and like those natural, I think like taurine, ginseng, something like that. That gives you like boosts your energy, and B vitamins maybe, I don't know. I'll put the information here since I'm just rambling about it, but it is super good. So if you have points and want to try that and been like on the fence about it, try it. It's delish. Okay, I think that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. I thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know your thoughts on Young Living. Have you changed your thoughts on it lately since like the big change? I love the new website and all of the changes that they made. I don't know. That's just where I'm at. But I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.